Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best lampshades that are available on the market for their true quality. I put this list together based on my personal experience and hours of research. I've ranked them by popularity, quality, price, durability, user reviews, and more. If you'd like more details or want to see the latest prices, be sure to check the description below, and don't forget to subscribe for more reviews. Alright, let's get started with the video! Starting at number 5, we have the Seaside Village Bell Lampshade Set. The Seaside Village lampshades are designed to enhance your home decor with a blend of style and practicality. With dimensions suitable for most table and floor lamps, these shades are easy to install, taking less than a minute to set up. Made from natural linen fabric, they offer a sophisticated appearance that complements various interior styles. The spider construction ensures a secure fit, while the included hardware makes it convenient to attach to your existing fixtures. Enjoy the cozy atmosphere created by the soft light these shades emit, perfect for relaxing evenings with family and friends. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Yuntop Clip-on Lampshade Adapter. The Yuntop Lampshade Adapter is a high-quality solution for your lighting needs. Made from durable metal with a rust-proof finish, it ensures a long-lasting experience. This adapter is designed for easy installation, allowing you to attach your lampshade directly to the bulb without hassle. It's perfect for various DIY lamp projects, whether you're enhancing a table lamp or creating a cozy atmosphere in your home. With its elegant gold polish, it complements modern decor while securely holding your lampshade in place, protecting your bulb and adding a stylish touch to any space. At number 3, we have the Seaside Village Small Lampshade Set. The Seaside Village lampshades are designed to enhance your lighting experience effortlessly. With a top diameter of 5.5 inches and a bottom diameter of 10 inches, these shades fit perfectly on small table lamps, floor lights, and wall sconces. The included bulb clip adapters make installation a breeze, allowing you to use round-type bulbs without hassle. Crafted from high-quality fabric and polyethylene, these shades not only provide durability but also filter light softly, creating a cozy atmosphere while minimizing eye strain. Plus, there's no assembly required. Just unbox and place them on your lamps for an instant refresh. At number 2, we have the Lnrueg 3 Pieces Paper Rope Lampshades. The Lnrueg Paper Rope Shade Set offers you 3 stylish lampshades that are perfect for adding a personal touch to your home. You can get creative and design a cohesive look across rooms, making your space truly unique. Their woven pattern lets light shine through beautifully, creating charming shadows that add warmth and elegance without taking up too much room. The classic brown color blends well with many decor styles, giving your living areas a cozy and inviting feel. Plus, these shades are made from lightweight, natural paper rope, making them easy to clean and maintain so your lighting stays bright and fresh with little effort. And finally, at number 1, we have the Seaside Village Large Beige Drum Lampshade Set of 2. The Seaside Village Large Lampshades offer a generously sized option perfect for medium to large table and floor lamps, ensuring a great fit for bigger fixtures. Made with quality fabric and a PVC lining, these shades provide a soft, warm glow that helps create a cozy atmosphere in any room. The sturdy metal frame adds durability and a clean, stylish look. Designed with a spider fitter, they're compatible only with lamps that have harp supports, and each set comes with the necessary harp holders. Plus, the simple assembly process means you can set them up quickly without tools, making them very user-friendly. Thanks for watching. That's all for now. I hope to see you in the next video. Until next time.